know, every Sunday at 9 p.m. We come up with general knowledge and current affairs session. This is important for the upcoming CMAT or CUET examination and all. So am I audible? मेरी आवाज आ रही है? So if I'm audible, just write in the comments, yes sir, you're audible. Okay. So some people are asking, sometimes people ask, sir, this is the 34th part. What about the previous part? So nothing to worry. Just go to our YouTube channel. इसमें जाना playlist में, go to the playlist section. And here there is a complete playlist, separate playlist for that. So click on this, view full playlist पे click करना and you will get the entire playlist. So the last 8 month का है ना, इसमें part 1, part 2, part 3 like that is there. So yes, you can watch at least the last 8 to 10 parts watch कर लेना, ठीक है? अगर पूरा भी नहीं watch कर पाओ, so at least watch the at least last 8-10 parts, so that in the recent months, the current affairs which are asked in the recent months, you can easily solve it, ठीक है? So last का जैसे आप part 20 से लेके है ना part 34 तक देख लो, like that है ना? Okay, so let's start with the first question of the day. Which of the following state government has set up Sadak Suraksha Force, the first of its kind in the country, to reduce road fatalities? Gujarat, Maharashtra, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar. Fatalities मतलब road accident से जो death होता है, the death due to road accident, or I would say death due to road accident. So to reduce the number of deaths due to road accident, this Sadak Suraksha Force has been set up as a part of police force. So that if God forbid, if someone meets an accident, then this force will help. This is a part of a police force. They will actually patrol on the highway. If they will see anyone actually in distress situation because of accident, so they will come help, take it to the hospital and all. That is the idea. And yes, very good. C is the right answer. Strange gaming, you're right. C, state of Punjab, is the right answer to this question. Anna. So just have an idea, and it has been launched by the Chief Minister, Mr. Bhagwat Singh Mann. So C is the right answer. Punjab CM Bhagwat Singh Mann launches Sadak Suraksha Force. Yes, you can see it here. Let's move on to the next one. Which famous agricultural scientist has received Bharat Ratna in 2024? This we have discussed so many times that this year Bharat Ratna has been announced to 5 people. Okay. Okay. And so who is actually the famous agricultural scientist who has got this year? Actually, he is considered as father of green revolution in India. Father of green revolution in India. Okay. So what is the right answer? The right answer is option A. MS Swaminathan is the right answer to this question. This is very, very important because he died last year in September 2023. Okay, so he is a part of current affairs now, and he is actually instrumental in ensuring the success of green revolution in India, and that is why he has got Bharat Ratna this year. Okay, and so these are the 5 winners of Bharat Ratna. MS Swaminathan, Mr. MS Swaminathan, Mr. PV Narasimha Rao, the ex-Chief Prime Minister. LK Advani, he is ex-Deputy Prime Minister of India. Then we have Karpuri Thakur, he is ex-Chief Minister of Bihar. Then we have Chaudhary Charan Singh from Haryana, and he has also been the ex-Prime Minister of India. So these are the 5 personalities who have got Bharat Ratna this year. So very, very important, star market. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Which team won 15th CEC Ice Hockey Cup Men's Championship at Kargil, Ladakh? Your options are Dras Warrior, ITBP A, Ladakh Scouts, BSF, none of the above. हाँ, इससे पहले का A आंसर था yes, strange gaming, you were right, है ना? इसका आंसर बताइए. The right answer is Dras Warrior is the right answer to this question. It is a team actually which has won 15 CEC Ice Hockey Championship. So A is the right answer to this question. Okay, yes. The next is question number 4. Who among the following musician has been honored with Lakshmi Narayan International Award? Your options are A.R. Rahman, Jatin Pandit, Pyarelal Sharma, Anu Malik, Shankar Jaikishan. What is the right answer to this question? Lakshmi Narayan International Award. Which musician has got it? So the right answer is Pyarelal Sharma. C is the right answer to this question. Okay. Yes, you can see it here. Veteran music composer Pyarelal Sharma awarded Lakshmi Narayan International Award. Okay. Yes. The next one is question number 5. Who has been appointed as the new country director for India of Asian Development Bank? Your options are Kiko Takahashi, Yves Weber, Mio Oka, Alberto Serdan, Moshami Khan. New country director for Asian Development Bank. What is the right answer? So the right answer is C. Mio Oka is the right answer to this question. Okay. C is the right answer. Okay. Let's move on. ADB appoints Mio Oka as country director for India. Let's move on. I hope you are aware. So this is India. This is Philippines. The capital of Philippines is Manila. And here you will find the headquarter of Asian Development Bank. Okay. So this is what you should be knowing it. Yes, आप देख सकते हो headquartered in Philippines. Now, if you're watching this class, go in the description box. नीचे description box में जाना, and you will find this one-on-one counseling session. There's a link. So please click on this link. You will get this Google form, and everyone should fill this Google form. You will get to know more about our courses and all. ठीक है? So इसको आप form fill कर दीजिए. Now let's move on to the next one. A joint venture agreement has been signed between ONGC, Oil and Natural Gas Commission, and NTPC Green Energy Limited, National Thermal Power Corporation, to focus on offshore wind energy project. Wind energy project, I hope you are aware, this is considered as an example of renewable source of energy. Offshore मतलब कि shore से यानी समुद्री तट से दूर पानी के अंदर ना. That is actually offshore wind energy projects. Which state hosted the signing of the agreement during India Energy Week? कौन से स्टेट में ये होस्ट किया इस एग्रीमेंट को? कहाँ हुआ? गुजरात, गोवा, बिहार, कर्नाटक, मध्य प्रदेश. So the right answer to this question, anyone, is actually the state of Goa. So B is the right answer to this question. ठीक है. So 7th फरवरी को this was signed recently held in Goa. तो देखो इसको कहते हैं ट्रेड विंड है ना, ट्रेड मिल जिसे एक्चुअली ट्रेड एक्चुअली विंड जिसे विंड एनर्जी जनरेट किया सकता है ना, व्हाट वी कॉल इट एज विंड मिल है ना. सो यहाँ पे गोवा मान लीजिए ऑफशोर का मतलब है कि समुद्री तट से थोड़ा सा दूर पानी की तरफ है ना, समवेयर हियर इट विल बी इंस्टॉल्ड because in ocean you will find very fast wind, right? So it can be used to tap the wind energy. That is the idea. The next is question number 7. The Indian government has decided to build a fence. Fence मतलब border, So the Indian government has decided to actually border the 1643 kilometer India-Myanmar border. So the India-Myanmar border, I mean the Myanmar border touches how many states of India? This is the question. 5, 4, 3, 2, none of the above. What is the right answer? बताइए. Anyone? Okay, the right answer is B. 4 is the right answer to this question. So 4 touches Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, Arunachal. So let me show in the map. So here is the northeast touching Myanmar. So this is Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram. So these are the 4 states touching the Myanmar. Okay. And India to fence entire 1643 kilometer long Myanmar border to build patrol tracks, says Amit Shah, the Home Minister of India. Now, the next one is question number 8. In February, which country is celebrating New Year, calling it Sonam Lohsar Festival? Your options are Nepal, China, Japan, Bhutan, Mongolia. What is the right answer to this question? The right answer actually is A. Nepal is the right answer to this question. Okay, so Tamang community, actually, community of Nepal is celebrating this. So A is the right answer to this question. Okay. The next is who has approved $200 million loan to enhance flood and river bank erosion risk management along the Brahmaputra River in Assam? New Development Bank, Asian Development Bank, World Bank, Bank of America, Bank of Japan. What is the right answer? क्या सही जवाब है? $200 million loan to enhance flood and river bank erosion risk management. So the right answer actually is ADB, again Asian Development Bank, which is headquartered in Manila, Philippines. So B is the right answer. Okay. So government of India and ADB signs $200 million loan to tackle this. Okay, so here is actually Brahmaputra river, which comes like this, and Yarlang Sangpo we call it in China, and then it comes to Brahmaputra as Brahmaputra in Assam, then it goes to Bangladesh. Now, this river actually is famous for causing floods in this region. A lot of floods happen in the state of Assam because of Brahmaputra, and that is why there is a need for actually effective management of floods in this region and all, right? Okay, let's move on further. to the next one, the question number 10, which says, what was the theme of the World Book Fair 2024 held in New Delhi? Your options are cultural diversity, digital India, environmental and climate change, multilingual India, a living tradition, culture of reading. What is the right answer? So World Book Fair, actually it happened in New Delhi in Pragati Maidan. So what was the theme? Okay, the right answer is D, multilingual India, a living tradition is the right answer to this question. So D is the right answer to this question. Okay, yes, and आप देख सकते हो. So multilingual India, a living tradition. So visiting world's largest book fair. So 10th to 18th February it happened in Pragati Maidan in New Delhi. Okay, the next is, which of the following country was the guest of honor at the 20 New Delhi World Book Fair? So the book fair that I have discussed just now, which country was the guest of honor? France, Australia, China, Saudi Arabia, Germany. So because now it has been done, so it is now which of the following was the guest of honor? So guest of honor Saudi Arabia, देखो मैंने यहाँ दिखाया भी India, along with this is the flag of actually Saudi Arabia. Okay. Okay, so that is what you should be knowing it. The right answer is D. Okay, let's move on to the next one. In February 2024, who has become the official sponsor of CSK, Chennai Super Kings? This is an IPL team, and having yellow dress. MSD is Mahendra Singh Dhoni is associated with this team. So official sponsor of Chennai Super Kings actually is Etihad Airways. This is an airways from UAE. So Etihad Airways becomes official sponsor of Chennai Super Kings. Okay. So let's move on further to the next one. The question number 13, Australia has defeated which team in the final to win 2024 ICC Under-19 Cricket World Cup title? Actually, repetition of a similar actually thing happened in the World Cup also, where the final happened between India and Australia, and unfortunately we lost it and Australia won it. So in the same fashion, even in Under-19 Cricket World Cup, exactly the same thing happened. So the final happened between Australia versus India, and Australia won it. So D is the right answer to this question. Okay, so that is what you should be knowing it. So जिसको deja vu भी कहते हैं ना, deja vu, this is the term used, है ना, sort of repetition of the past and all. Okay, the next is, which country won ICC Under-19 Cricket World Cup? I have just discussed, है ना, so you should be knowing it. हाँ, इससे पहले का D आंसर था, yes, Stage Gaming, you were right. So this ICC Under-19 Cricket World Cup winner is Australia. ठीक है, so B is the right answer. The next is World Government Summit. हाँ, ये काफी न्यूज में था अभी. Was organized in which city in February 2024? New Delhi, India, Dubai, UAE, Riyadh, Saudi Arab, Paris, France, none of the above. World Government Summit जो है भी recently कहाँ हुआ था आपको बताना है. ठीक है. Yes, the right answer is B. Yes, Strange Gaming, you are right. B is the right answer. दुबई में हुआ था actually World Government Summit, है ना, और इसका theme था Shaping Future Governments. ठीक है. And here actually if you see it, the invitation was given by the UAE Vice President and all Prime Minister, है ना, and PM Modi was also invited, है ना, as Dubai guest of honor 14 फरवरी को. ठीक है ना, आप देख सकते हो World Government Summit from 12 to 14 February, Dubai, United Arab Emirates, and this was the theme, Shaping Future Government was the theme of it. ठीक है, मतलब यहाँ पर actually the international delegates are were invited and all. So here is India. This is UAE, United Arab Emirates, and here you will find Dubai, a very famous city. I hope you must have heard about Dubai. The next one is Assam Chief Minister Mr. Hemant Biswa Sarma has selected how many personalities for the Assam State Civilian Award 2024? Your options are 20, 21, 22, 15, 10. So Assam State Civilian Award is being given and to 22 people. Okay, so C is the right answer to this question. Okay, no. Okay, so it is given in 3 categories because categories B: Assam Vaibhav, Assam Saurabh, and Assam Gaurav. Okay, let's move on further. No, आप देख सकते हो. Let's move on to the next question number 17. Navy Chief. एक सेकंड. 22 क्या? हाँ, take this. Navy Chief Admiral R. Hari Kumar. He is the Navy Chief of India. inaugurated a new defense technology system that is called as precision approach radar at INS Utkarsh. INS Utkarsh समझ लो एक तरह की शिप है, ठीक है, इंडियन नेवल शिप है ना. This ship is located where? Andaman Nicobar, Goa, Visakhapatnam, Kochi, none of the above. Precision approach radar आप समझ एक तरह की डिफेंस टेक्नोलॉजी, ठीक है, and inaugurated by Navy Chief Admiral R. Hari Kumar. So the right answer is A. Andaman and Nicobar Island is the right answer to this question. ठीक है, located in South Andaman ना. ठीक है, आप देख सकते हैं फोटो है. प्रिसिजन अप्रोच रडार अंडर वाटर हार्बर डिफेंस एंड सर्वेलेंस सिस्टम इनॉग्रेटेड इन अंडमान निकोबार, है ना. So that is what you should be knowing it, है ना. The next is question number 18. Who has been nominated as the new Prime Minister of Kazakhstan? Your options are Qasim Jomart, Ali Khan Samalov, Askar Mamin, Olzaz Bektinov, Bakidzan Sagintayev. What is the right answer to this question? New Prime Minister of Kazakhstan, who has been nominated? The right answer is D. Olzaz Bektinov is the right answer to this question, है ना. ठीक है, so just remember it. I know it's a slightly difficult to remember, but try to remember it. ठीक है, दिखाते हैं कहाँ पर है. So here is India and this is Kazakhstan. And can you please write in the comment section what is the capital of Kazakhstan? Okay, let's move on. Okay, so just before moving on, guys, today from 11 AM onwards on our app, we are running this scholarship test. आज रात तक आप attempt कर सकते हो. So you'll get up to 90% off if you qualify this test. Okay, and on 17th March at 11 AM, we'll be having a live interactive workshop with Srinivas sir, CAT 2024, how to manage preparation with job studies, and on our app. So link is given in the description. Similarly, on 21st March at 7 PM, we'll be having a session with Vikrant sir, CAT 2024 VARC पर, ठीक है, the game changer. And on 31st March at 11 AM, CAT 2024 roadmap to 99 percentile, ठीक है. And this is an MHCT course, आप देख सकते हो. So these are the things you should be knowing. And this is CAT College Predictor. This you will get on our app. So download our app, go there. The next is question number 19, which says, which of the following state has hiked 500 rupees in the monthly pension amount of Madhu Babu Pension Yojana? The state of Odisha, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Assam, none of the above. What is the right answer? Madhu Babu Pension Yojana, 500 rupee monthly pension has been increased by the state of Odisha. So the Odisha Chief Minister, Mr. Naveen Patnaik, has announced hike of 500 rupee in the Madhu Babu Pension Yojana. ठीक है, A is the right answer to this question. ठीक है. Okay, let's move on to the next one. In February this year, this is very, very important, I would say, star market. Reigning marathon world record Kelvin Kiptum. Actually, he in 2023, October, he became the fastest marathon runner in Chicago Marathon. Okay. And recently he made the record, and in February, so in October last year, he made the record, and in February, unfortunately, he died because of accident. So you have to tell me that he was from which country. So the right answer is option B. Kenya is the right answer to this question. ठीक है, ठीक है. B is the right answer. देखो, world record marathon record holder Kelvin Kiptum dies in road accident. So you should be knowing it. So this becomes very important because last year in October he made a record and he died in February. So he was from Kenya, the state, the country of Kenya in Africa. ठीक है? Okay, yes. Where is Kenya? Let me show. So here is India. This is Africa continent. यहाँ पे Kenya है, and the capital is Nairobi. Okay. Yes. Let's move on to the next one. The question number 21, which says, which country will host Badminton Asia Team Championship 2024? India, Bangladesh, Malaysia, Philippines, China. Badminton Asia Team Championship 2024. Which country will host? The right answer is C. Malaysia is the right answer to this question. Okay. Okay, so just have an idea. Okay, so where is Malaysia? This is India. This is Malaysia. ये वाला और ये वाला मिला के. ठीक है, this is Malaysia. Okay, yes. The next is question number 22, which says, in which of the following cities 57th Statesman Vintage and Classic Car Rally happened? Vintage car समझते हो? You understand what is vintage and classic car? जो old model होती है, बहुत पुरानी model, old models, quite old है ना. So some people have the passion to have old cars. They actually keep it for memory purpose and all. So that actually happened in New Delhi. So B is the right answer to this question. So Union Minister for Petroleum, Natural Gas and Housing and Urban Affairs, Hardeep Singh Puri. So B is the right answer to this question. अब देख सकते हो ये सब कार जो है ना अब नहीं चलती, ये सब क्लासिक कार है ना. This car is there है ना. He's the Union Minister, and so these are some of the cars you can see. Nowadays you will not find these cars on road unless there is a rally, this type of rally. Okay, let's move on to the next one. IREDA, Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency Limited, and which IIT has signed an MOU. MOU मतलब होता है Memorandum of Understanding. So Memorandum of Understanding means, for practical purpose you can say it's a sort of an agreement. एक तरह का agreement होता है, इतना समझ लेना, ठीक है. MOU मतलब समझना agreement, ठीक है, so that you can understand. So an agreement was signed between IREDA and which one? So for clean energy innovation. So the right answer is C, IIT Bhubaneswar. Clean energy किसको कहेंगे? So the energy which actually causes very less or no pollution, जैसे solar energy है. So this is an example of clean energy, and wind energy, ठीक है. So these all actually are a renewable energy. They cause very low or no pollution. So that is the idea. So they are researching on it. So C is the right answer. Let's move on. IREDA and IIT Bhubaneswar collaborate for sustainable development in renewable energy. Let's move on. देखो लिखा ना जैसे यहाँ पे solar panel बनाया and all. Where will Sangeet Nakatak Academy establish South India Cultural Center? कहाँ खोलने जा रही? संगीत नाटक अकेडमी is actually headquartered in Delhi, but it is planning to launch South India Cultural Center. So of course it would be in the southern half of India, right? So where you will find this? The right answer actually is Hyderabad. So A is the right answer to this question. Sangeet Natak Academy in Hyderabad, also known as Dakshin Bharat Sanskritik Kendra. So A is the right answer. Okay. Okay. The next is what is Alaska pox recently in the news? Bacterial infection, DNA virus, fungus, helminths, none of the above. So actually there's a place Alaska, so wahi nikla hai, so that is why they are calling it as Alaska pox. This belongs to USA. This is a province of USA where it has been found. So it is actually a DNA virus. So B is the right answer. Okay. What is Alaska pox? The newly found viral disease. Okay. If you see it carefully, this is India, and here is USA. This is Canada. So ये वाला जो हिस्सा है ना, this is also the part of USA. ये भी US का part है. This is called as Alaska. So here actually Alaska pox has been found. Elderly Alaska man is the first reported person to die of recently discovered Alaska virus. So that is why it was in the news. Okay, let's move on further to the next one. Okay, before moving on, guys, if you are watching our class, नीचे जाना description box में. There is a one-on-one counseling session के लिए link is there. So click on this link. You will get this Google form. So fill this Google form, है ना? So our team will help you get to know more about our courses. They will explain the benefits, how to start preparation and all these things. The next is the question number 26 says, what is the name of the satellite recently launched by NASA to survey oceans and atmosphere? Stars 1, Rosat, PACE, Astro A, none of the above. What is the right answer? So if you know the answer, please answer it in the comment section. I'm waiting for your response. So the right answer is C is the right answer. PACE is the right answer to this question. So just have an idea. So NASA's space mission to unravel mysteries for climate change set for rescheduled launch after weather hurdles and all. तो ये सब न्यूज में था, है ना? So launch कहाँ से करते हैं? Cape Canaveral is actually the place. You will find it in Florida. यहीं से launch करते हैं सारा satellite, है ना? So it was actually news में था because of unfavorable condition, थोड़ा सा उसको delay कर दिया गया. So that is why it was in the news. Okay. So here is India. This is USA. देखो US में ना ये Florida state है, ठीक है? So Florida state is there, and यहाँ पे आपको मिलेगा Cape Canaveral, the place from where actually they launched the satellite in America. The next one is question number 27. Recently, the Grow portal was in the news. It is related to which one of the following fields? Agro-forestry, groundwater, education, MSME, none of the above. Grow portal was in the news. It is related with which of the following fields? So what is the right answer? The right answer is A. Agro-forestry is the right answer to this question. Okay? The greening and restoration of wasteland with agro-forestry. So A is the right answer. Okay? Now, portal to promote sustainable land use and all. ठीक है, ये grow portal है ना, greening and restoration of wasteland with agro-forestry. इसी को short में grow लिख दिया गया. The next one is, with whom did the education ministry, Minister Dharmendra Pradhan signed an agreement to promote football game in the country? AIFF, All India Football Federation, FIFA, UEFA, European League, Europa League, Reliance Foundation, none of the above. So to promote football in the country, the education ministry has signed an agreement with FIFA. FIFA is the same organization which conducts football World Cup. So I hope you are aware of these things. So the right answer is B is the right answer to this question. ठीक है ना? ये actually I think French वगैरह में ऐसे लिखते हैं, Federation International Day Football Association. So that's FIFA. है ना? So Indian schools में, of course, education ministry is signing an agreement actually to promote in Indian schools the FIFA and all, football and all, the craze of football, because we have already the craze of cricket, hai na? So to promote the we should promote football as well. The next one is question number 29. Who has been elected as the new president of ICAI, Indian Institute for Chartered Accountant and all? ये chartered accountants का एक मतलब ये होता है union type है something, है ना? So the new president actually is C is the right answer. Ranjit Kumar Agarwal is the right answer to this question. Okay, so C is the right answer. The next is question number 30. So question number 30 says, recently UPI payment system has been launched in which two countries? Now this is very important because now UPI is going global, right? It means UPI समझते हो ना? I hope you are aware. I mean the like Paytm, Bharat Pay, these all are examples of UPI developed by NPCI is the organization which has developed it. National Payment Corporation of India, it is a division under RBI. इसे पूछते हैं एग्जाम में कई बार, ठीक है? So the right answer actually is C. Sri Lanka and Mauritius is the right answer to this question. ठीक है? तो अब देखो कहाँ कहाँ पे UPI आ गया है. Now you can use it in France. If you go to France, you can use it. UAE, Mauritius, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan, Singapore, है ना? So these are the famous places. जैसे UAE में लोग जाते हैं, इंडिया के बहुत सारे लोग, you will find it in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, है ना? And these places and all. A lot of Indians do business. They do job in Dubai and all, है ना? फिर सिंगापुर भी जाते हैं और भी बहुत सारी जगह जाते हैं. So these are the places where actually you can use UPI, है ना? So this will be helpful. So if an Indian traveler travel there, so that would be easy for the people to actually transact and all. The next is, who has inked the agreement at the World Government Summit? I have told you the World Government Summit happened recently in Dubai, in UAE. So which country has signed an agreement to launch world's first air taxi service? So air taxi service मतलब कुछ helicopter वगैरह something होगा. So घुमाया जाएगा. So the right answer is Dubai. So the same country which has hosted it, है ना? This World Government Summit hosted by Dubai, उसी ने launch किया है world's air taxi service. So ये है कुछ तरह का छोटा सा plane होगा, and with the help of it you can travel, है ना? So A is the right answer. Okay. The next is, which of the following state government has launched NUA scholarship program for providing annual financial aid to undergraduate and postgraduate students? Odisha, Bihar, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, none of the above. What is the right answer? NUA scholarship program. So कौन से state ने launch किया? So the right answer is A. The state of Odisha is the right answer to this question. ठीक है? So just remember it. Last में O है ना, तो उसे याद कर लेना. Odisha, O से Odisha. So A is the right answer. No. The next one is the question number 33. Which of the following state government has officially declared Kaji Nemu or citrus lemon as the state fruit? Punjab, Bihar, Assam, Karnataka, none of the above. Kaji Nemu or citrus lemon as the state fruit. What is the right answer? So the right answer is the state of Assam. So C is the right answer to this question. ठीक है, as the state fruit, है ना? Why Kaji Nemu is so dear to the Assamese and all. ठीक है, this is called as Kaji Nemu. The next one is, which country won 9th GovTech prize for AI powered government service at World Government Summit? So World Government Summit, again I have told you, it happened in Dubai in February. So at the same summit, at the same meeting, summit मतलब एक तरह का meeting type है ना, a 9th GovTech award was actually given to India. So that is why it becomes important. और क्या लिखा है? For AI powered government service. तो वो AI powered government service का नाम क्या है? I रास्ते. So this is the I रास्ते, because of which Because of iRaste, India has won 9th GovTech Prize Award at World Government Summit, Dubai. So C is the right answer to this question. ठीक है. So iRaste है क्या चीज? देखो ना iRaste के लिए ना देखो. So basically, so just have an idea. iRaste is actually, it will be helpful to actually reduce the number of accidents and all. That's the idea. इसको थोड़ा सा पढ़ना आप with the help of artificial intelligence, है ना. The next one is, which of the following cities hosted BSE? BSE मतलब Bombay Stock Exchange. Bombay Stock Exchange Expo 2023 to strengthen our public sector broadcasting that cater to diverse need of the country. Your options are Kolkata, New Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai. What is the right answer? So the right answer is B. New Delhi is the right answer to this question. Inaugurated BSE Expo Summit at New Delhi. So now the next one is question number 36. Which of the following country is expected to surpass? Expected to kya? It has actually surpassed. It has now surpassed and become the third largest global economy. So the right rank one, the largest global economy according to GDP nominal terms is US. Then we have China. Earlier it was actually Japan. Now it's Germany. And the fourth is Japan and the fifth is India. Okay, so that is what you should be knowing it. So the right answer actually is A. Germany is the right answer to this question. So Japan actually has been beaten by Germany unexpectedly because of big domestic consumption and all. Japan just lost its throne as the world's third largest economy. So this has been in the news and all. So this is GDP by nominal terms. So rank one US, then we have China, then Germany is now third, and the fourth is Japan, and the fifth is India with $3.73 trillion. So this is the nominal GDP of India. So trillion में कितना zero होता है? Can you please tell me? So 3.73 into 10 to the power how much should I write in trillion? Billion में 9 होता है, so trillion में 12, 10 to the power 12. ठीक है. So that is what. So 3.73 to 10 to the power 12. That's the GDP of India. The next is question number 37, which says the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, in collaboration with NIELIT, National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology, is set to host the Future Skills Summit in Guwahati, Ranchi, Patna, Chandigarh, none of the above. What is the right answer? Future Skills Summit, Ministry of Electronics Information Technology. Who is the minister? Mr. Ashwini Vaishnav. And NIELIT is set to host Future Skills Summit in Guwahati. So A is the right answer to this question. Okay, yes, sir. Guwahati, you will find it the city in Assam. Okay. Now, the next is question number 38. Who is the Speaker of Bihar Legislative Assembly? Actually, what happened was recently in Bihar, we have seen the change of alliances. So, the Bihar Legislative Assembly Speaker resigned and the new Legislative Assembly Speaker has been made. And his name actually is Mr. Nand Kishore Yadav. So, D is the right answer to this question. Okay. So, he's a leader from BJP. So, D is the right answer. Okay, and the next is question number 39. Who among the following is chairman cum managing director of IRCTC, Indian Rail Catering and Tourism Corporation? If you have traveled by train, you must be aware of it. So there's a website of IRCTC with the help of which you can book tickets as well. So IRCTC provide a lot of railway service also when you travel on trains and all. So he's the CMD of chairman and managing director of IRCTC. So the right answer is Sanjay Kumar Jain. B is the right answer to this question. So just have an idea about it. Takes charge. Sanjay Kumar Jain takes charge as CMD of IRCTC. Okay. So on 24th March also we'll be having on 11 we'll be having a scholarship test. So attempt this scholarship test. If you qualify it, you will get up to 90% off. So this is all about today's channel, today's class. Please subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, and download the BYJU'S Exam Prep app. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.